Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name's Marina. So today I am going to do my April Boxycharm unboxing for you guys today. So I did go ahead and already opened it because it is my mom's birthday today, and with my last Boxycharm I gave her at least like 3 out of the 5 items that I got in there, which like everything was nice, but I'm trying to, you know, update her makeup collection and she's trying to get more into it, so we'll see how that goes. So this month you get the Luxie brushes. It's a Summer Days brush set. It's cute packaging. I think that's adorable. They smell really good. Well, they kind of smell like a nail salon, but I love that smell, so. Brushes are very soft. Here are the 3 brushes you get. They've got a beautiful ombre handle. Very cute. I also got the Artist Couture highlighter, which everybody got. And I got Summer Haze. I've watched a couple videos, unboxing videos, and I don't think anybody has gotten the, what was it, the Purple Dream? Ah, where's the sunlight? Anyways, it's really pretty. Very cute. And then I got the Power Up mascara, which it's got like a weird smell to it, but I mean, it's mascara. And I just saw something where you can use your mascara as like an eye primer base, which is kind of cool. And then I got the Cosmic Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. So it's some eyeliner from Starlooks. And then of course the Pure Festival palette. I know you guys are probably noticing in the background my Jeffree Star package came in today. So I've got Endurance eyeshadow primer. It's like literally just a bag of air. Well, we'll open it and see if there's anything in it, but it's literally like just air. What the heck? Anyways, this is such a pretty palette. Oh, how cute. They put stickers on it, or taped it down. It smells really good. It's almost got kind of like a candy smell to it, but not really. Like, that might be cardboard. Yeah. Well, I definitely smell cardboard, but. And here's the colors. Okay, so I just tried to do swatches for you guys, and things I do. I'm just kidding. And I got makeup on my brand new shirt. I literally just put this shirt on too. Here's the swatches. Very pretty, very nice, very nice, very nice. I wanted to show you guys this eyeliner I got in the shade Cosmic. I didn't use it today because it's not the color that I wanted. It's very not, I mean, it kind of shows up. Wow. It's really, I don't know. This is only my second month of Boxycharm. Some of the products I've kind of like. I'm really happy with the brushes, the palette, and the highlighter, and that's about it. The mascara and the eyeliner are not that great, in my opinion. So yeah, I gave her the palette, the lip gloss, and we're gonna use the masks together. So I really want her to get into the makeup kind of like I am, and she works a lot, so I just want to give her something to look forward to the day. And I gave her this Power Hungry matte palette I had by MAC, and I really like it. It's beautiful. It's just such neutral colors, and I already have the Naked palette and Naked 3, so I just give it to her since it's brand new. I've never used it, so I want her to get some use out of it if she can. I also gave her the lip gloss, and then the brushes I kept for myself because they're really pretty and soft.